Hey everyone, I'm Derek Jones and I'm a graduate student here at North Carolina Agricultural and Technical State University, and I'm just here to show you guys the basics of using a microwave digestive system. Now before we get started, I do just want to go over something that's really basic. When in the lab, we always want to make sure we have on a laboratory coat, and that we do have on our gloves and goggles. So before I go any further, I'm just gonna put on my gloves and my goggles. Okay, and now we're ready to get started. So I'm gonna stand up because usually in a scientific laboratory we always want to make sure we're standing so we're alert and that we are focused. So just to go over the basics, this is our microwave system here, and it's usually used for dissolving organic materials, and it could be used to dissolve organic materials either in an acidic or basic medium. So the very fundamental basic of the microwave system, we want to make sure that we turn on our system. So we come here and we just turn on our system. We see that it's on the 0 or the O now. We just push it over to the I, and we see that the Mars 5 will come up. Our system is now on. It's warming up. So the next thing that we want to do is open up our system just to make sure that everything looks okay inside of the system. And we see we do have our thermal guide block here, and this is just used for when we actually put our plate in there to actually run our sample. And I just sit that back there. And next thing I want to put in there is our actual plate for running our samples or our system. And what we want to do, we always want to make sure we put in our plate with the control vessel to the back first, and usually it'll say something like that right here on the plate. So I'm just going to put the plate in with the control vessel to the back. So now that we're in, I want to just make sure that it is running okay. So I just hit our arrow there. And we see that it is running. So our plate is now set up there. And what I would do is just when it gets to where the control vessel is at the front or somewhere near the front, I keep it there so I'm able to put the rest, so I'm able to put my control vessel in.